I'm Harry Atkinson. I work for Uniper here at Ratcliffe-on-Soar power station. I studied electrical and electronic engineering at NTU Mansfield, where I did a HNC and HND. Here at Ratcliffe, I'm a control and instrumentation engineer. That means I'm responsible for all the things behind the scenes to make sure the power station works. And the roles really changed significantly since Ratcliffe closed in September. Now we've moved over to decommissioning, which is going to be a 2-year process to make sure it's a safe site to hand over to demolition contractors. So I got an apprenticeship here at Ratcliffe. And then after I'd done my apprenticeship, I wanted to kind of further my learning. And NTU offered me that opportunity and kind of get my HNC, HND, and then hopefully move on to my degree. My time at NTU Mansfield allowed me to kind of build on the building blocks of my apprenticeship, which was really useful. There was a real breadth of students on the course. There was an opportunity to learn from other people in other industries. I suppose real professionals that were out there that I found really useful. Lecturers having industry experience was great. They knew what they were talking about. They had life experience with regards to the industry they worked in, and that was the nicest thing. My background is scouting. I'm a scout leader where I live. I've grown up in Long Eaton and Sawley all of my life, so I stood for election as a borough councillor in 2023 and was lucky enough to be elected. I'm hoping that's allowed me to kind of make a positive impact in my community. The mayor at the time when I was elected suggested that I should possibly run for mayor. I did a year as deputy mayor, and then in May of this year I became the Mayor of Erewash, which is a huge privilege. My advice to anyone that wanted to study at NTU Mansfield would go for it. It's a great opportunity. The lecturers are fantastic. The facilities are amazing. Britain needs engineers. There's big projects coming along, and I'm really excited to be part of that future, and NTU Mansfield has allowed me to be part of that future.